Ring's Video Doorbell Pro 2 is much more than a doorbell these days. The video doorbell sends an alert to your smartphone when the doorbell has been pressed, letting you see and speak to whoever is on your doorstep, even if you're not at home. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's unbox the device and see what's in the box. Here we have Video Doorbell Pro 2, satin nickel faceplate, Pro Power Kit, installation tools and screws, corner kit, user manual, and security sticker. The Ring Doorbell Pro 2 got the same rectangular shape as its predecessor, with the camera in the top half with the button just below. An LED ring around the button lights up when the bell is rung, so the person on the doorstep knows your attention is being summoned. The device comes in a satin nickel finish. There are many more features of the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2, however, we have outlined some of its highlights here. You may also check today's price and complete specifications through the link in the description. The Ring Doorbell Pro 2 needs Chime Pro or Echo Show 5 device to enjoy full features, especially to either take a message or tell a delivery person where to leave a package. And Quick Replies lets you choose from 6 pre-recorded messages that will play if you don't answer the doorbell within a certain amount of time. You can not only see wide, side to side, as with older models, but you can now see a lot further from top to bottom. In a nutshell, considering easy to install, picture quality, tech support, motion detection, night vision, and Wi-Fi signal, we rate it 8.8 out of 10. After analyzing longtime users' feedback and comments posted on different e-commerces, we found that consumers are delighted with the device's sharp video, 3D motion detection, aerial bird's eye view, and color night vision. The users are dissatisfied that it doesn't support Apple HomeKit or Google Assistant. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with more shopping advice soon, so stay tuned.